lovelies, welcome back to my channel and I hope and pray that you and your families are doing absolutely fine and everything is okay at your end. Also, I seriously hope that you guys are watching my vlogs, watching my videos and liking it, and if you guys are watching it, please don't forget to hit the like button, share my videos and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So अगर आपने मेरा इससे पहले वाला वीडियो देखा है which was a vlog, तो आप लोगों को ऑलरेडी पता होगा कि मैं कल रात को 12 बजे घर पहुंची. I wanted to give Kunal a surprise because he was under the weather, he was just having a nasty cold and really he was really not looking good. उसकी हालत काफ़ी ढीली ढाली थी. So anyways, it is the next morning and this morning Kunal has woken up all refreshed. आवाज़ भी वापस आ चुकी है. He's got his strength in the body and he's looking better. He's sounding better. He's feeling better. Okay, you're here. How are you feeling?
Perfectly all right. Perfectly all right.
हाँ, मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है. आवाज़ आ गई है मुंह में. वो it is my प्यार. मुझे देख के you got the strength. Otherwise you were feeling really low, you were looking and feeling like a sick puppy. So anyways, आज के agenda पे काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं. So first things first, lunch मेरा prepare हो चुका है. I have completed my cooking and now the plan was that we need to take off all this Diwali decoration. घर को थोड़ा breather देंगे and then it's time to prep up the house for Christmas. Christmas is very special and very close to me and my heart. इसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे. But suddenly I have decided to postpone the plan. Decoration आज नहीं निकालेंगे, maybe कल निकालेंगे because I am suddenly feeling a little low. 2-4 छींकें हो चुकी है and I feel कि perhaps कुणाल ने अपनी cold मुझे pass on कर दी है. But anyways, अब मैं पीने वाली हूँ बहुत सारी green tea. I have got to edit another vlog which I have already shot for you guys. But I think ये जो सब लोग बीमार हो रहे हैं, थोड़ी सी सर्दी खांसी हो रही है, it's because the weather is suddenly changing. Because दिन में काफ़ी गर्मी होती है and it's quite sunny, but रात को अचानक से बहुत ठंड हो जाती है and the weather completely changes. So I think that's what it is. I'm just going to sit in bed, edit and drink a lot of hot tea and then I'll feel better. I'm sure I'm going to feel better. I'm going to take some rest. फिर देखते हैं decoration आज उतारेंगे या कल उतारेंगे. Whatever it is, we'll keep you updated. So another update. Afternoon wasn't as productive. I tried to edit a vlog. But I think मैं सिर्फ आधा पौना घंटा कर पाई because I'm feeling so much fatigue. Thankfully मुझे fever नहीं है और ज़्यादा cold भी नहीं है. But I'm just feeling really tired and Kunal has very sweetly got me tea in bed. So I really don't know कि मुझे कुणाल की infection लग गई या जो भी काम मैं पिछले 2 दिन से कर रही थी. I overexerted myself and this is what has happened to me. Kunal, why are you in a pause?
अरे मैं उठाने वाला तो मुझे खच की आवाज आती.
So what? I like that sound and it is ASMR. Yeah, that's what it's called, right? Kunal, मुझे सब जगह तुमने बदनाम कर दिया. एक दिन I will expose you what you really are. बिस्किट चाय में डुबाते हुए.
तुम भी डुबाते हो.
हाँ, साला तुम्हारी आवाज आ गई और मेरी जा रही है. So another update, almost रात के 9 बज चुके हैं and I'm not feeling very unwell but I'm not feeling completely well also. तबीयत थोड़ी ढीली ही लग रही है. So I could not even sit in the afternoon and complete the vlog. तो अब मैंने सबसे पहले एक Zoom मीटिंग कंप्लीट करी है. मेरी सोसाइटी की मीटिंग थी एंड उसके बाद I'm back at it. I'm editing my vlog. I hope I'm able to complete it. Actually मुझे day after tomorrow upload करना है but मेरी कोशिश यही रहेगी कि मैं आज ही edit करके इसको पूरा complete करके रख दूँ. This is me editing my vlog. इसी के बीच में मुझे खाने की क्रेविंग होने लगी एंड बिलीव यू मी I do not have a sweet tooth at all, but suddenly I felt like eating काजू कतली because इस टाइम दिवाली पे मैंने बहुत ही काजू कतली खाई, a lot of मिठाई, and suddenly I felt like having momos. So मैंने कुणाल को बोला please order my favorite momos. मुझे तो momos बिल्कुल ही पसंद नहीं थे, but from last month I don't know what has just happened. You know, I'm experimenting more. तो मैंने momos खाना शुरू कर दिए. तो कुणाल just told me कि जो हमारी regular place है, the Momo Factory, वहाँ से he has not ordered momos. He's trying out a new place today. So let's see how they turn up. I'm super excited and nervous also because I like to stick to the things that I like. मुझे अपना routine change करना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, but like they say, change is always good. So I'm just waiting for my momos to arrive और फिर देखते हैं. Kitchen को sort out करते रहे and you know सारी चीजें आ गए. मोमोज आ गए.
तुम्हारे मोमोज आ गए. तुम्हारी बीमारी का इलाज.
Listen, मुझे मोमोज बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद थे. You got me addicted to it. सैनिटाइज किया?
हाँ हो गया.
I'm not going to touch it.
अरे हो गया.
अंदर का?
अरे अंदर से कैसे, वो सील है ना अभी तो.
But still sanitize it.
Okay.
I'm unwell. मैं बाहर ही आके खाती हूँ.
Come out.
This is the first time we are trying this place and I'm so impressed with this packaging. यहाँ पे lot of safety instructions लिखे हुए हैं and उसके साथ साथ you know they have said that once you tear the bag, you open the seal, sanitize your hands with the sanitizer given inside. So there are a couple of sachets of sanitizer inside. तो मैं mentally भी थोड़ी already secured हो चुकी हूँ. I'm already impressed. The first impression is a good one. Cannot wait to open this packet now. Do you want to use these chopsticks?
3 दिन लगूंगा तब जाके मोमो आ जाएगा.
So guys, this time it is not Kunal, it is me. तो जिस बात का मैं कल कुणाल का मजाक उड़ा रही थी, I'm in the same situation, I'm literally in the same boat. आज मैं स्टीम ले रही हूँ all thanks to कुणाल. इसीलिए बोलते हैं किसी का मजाक नहीं उड़ाने, and this is literally applied to me. आज मैं स्टीम ले रही हूँ because finally my battery is down. और इसी के साथ मुझे करना पड़ेगा ये vlog end. But I don't think I have the शक्ति to end this vlog. और कुणाल जिसकी बैटरी चार्ज हो गई है, I think why don't you do the honors and end my vlog today. तुम्हें पता है ना क्या बोलना है?
मेरी शक्ल गंदी है, मैं कुछ और काम कर रहा हूँ अभी.
You're aimlessly scrolling on Instagram ना?
No.
कुणाल doesn't want to end my vlog. अब मैं भी याद रखूंगी, मुझे बताना कोई रील बनाने के लिए. That day I stayed up till 4:30 in the morning and I made a reel for you because you were behind me like a puppy. Reel बना दो, edit it. And after 4 days I felt so pity. मैं 4:30 बजे तक बैठ के I edited your reel and you haven't posted it. Anyways, यही दुनिया है. Guys, it's time to end this vlog right here. If you have watched the vlog till here, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. Do the sister a favor. It will really make my day. It will really make me feel better. And please do share the video with your friends and family. And with that, it's time for me to take your leave on this video right here. Until the next time, you know the drill. Stay extra kind and be your own kind of beautiful. Bye. I hope मेरा recording button on था.